Welcome to the BIS News. I am Suraj Dibkirti. Today it's the most important heading Gaza war. War situation in Gaza, a school hospital closed, thousands of fled. In this video, the abstract bombing continues, sewage on roads, health crisis, not even the surface of millions of people and 72,000 people fled. Situation difficult but no sign of ceasefires. Explain the news. Please listen the carefully and watch the video carefully and do subscribe the YouTube channel and give the like thumbs if you like this video. If you want the future updates, please subscribe us. The situation of the Palestinian already in a critical state has become worse in the Israel-Gaza war. 6 people died in Wednesday's latest attack. The Israeli army said, "We have fallen several terrorist idiots from the Hamas ruled area aimed rocket firing in the ongoing war for 9 days. Jewish people in the Gaza region have been the slush on the streets. Hospitals and schools are closed and thousands have been displaced. The situation is so bad that the only corona test lab in Gaza is devastated. Sewage is flowing in the street and the pipes to provide the drinking water to 8 lakh people have been broken. The sewage system here is destroyed and the plant with the supplies fresh water to 2.5 lakh people is closed. 17 hospital clinics in Gaza are damaged due to which 20 lakh people are in humanitarian crisis. Here are 6 lakh students have left the school and around 72,000 people have migrated from their home. So far, 219 Palestinians have been killed, including 63 children and 63 women, while 12 Israeli have also been killed in the Hamas rocket attack. But so far, there are no signs of a ceasefire. In the Israeli attack on Wednesday, Gaza house of 40 members of the Al-Ashtal family has also been turned into the rubble. Although all escaped from the house due to the information received 5 minutes before the attack. 52 Israeli planes target 40 Hamas targets in 25 minutes. The Israeli military said it carried out attacks on Hamas terrorist bases around the cities of Khan Yunis and Rafah on Wednesday with 52 aircraft targeting 42 underground targets within 25 minutes. Gaza Health Ministry said one woman was killed and 8 people were injured in these attacks. Hamas-run Al-Aqsa Radio said one of its journalists was killed in the Gaza airstrike. Doctors at the Shifa hospital said that 5 bodies were brought in early Wednesday. 2 of them were killed in a missile attack on the building. Many countries, including France, appealed for ceasefires. The current chairman of the Security Council, Chang Sao, said the council urged France to pass a resolution of the ceasefires in Israel, Gaza, but the US stopped the United Nations from issuing a statement calling for a halt to violence. However, the US has appealed for a ceasefire. Meanwhile, all except one member of the European Union and Hungary appealed for a ceasefire at the emergency meeting. He supported Israel's self-defense right, condemning Hamas rocket attacks. However, they too demanded immediate implementation of the ceasefires. Chinese official channel accused of a Jewish opposition. The Israeli embassy in China has accused a large number of Jewish opposition in discussing the ongoing violence in Gaza by the foreign channel of state TV CCTV. The embassy tweeted, "We had a hope that the world was undergoing conspiratorial theories like being controlled by the Jews, but unfortunately Jewish opposition is once again coming out with this the disgusting face. We are shocked at this opposition from China." Israeli president discussed with the relatives of the dead Indian woman. Israeli President Reuven Rebellion spoke to the family of an Indian woman who lost her life in a rocket attack on Palestinian militants from Gaza on 11 May and expressed her the condolence. Soumya Santosh, 30, of the Idukki district in Kerala, used to take care of an elderly woman in a house in Ascalon town in Israel, and she was talking to her husband on a video call during the attack. However, detailed information about the Israeli president discussion has not been provided. That's all in this video. To subscribe for the latest updates from the Gaza and Israel conflict, I am Suraj Kirti, and continue to take the news from the international sites and the international news channels. Do hit the like and subscribe the channels for the more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.